Hello there again, and welcome to the second part of how to create a web form on Aweber. In the first video, we've already learned how to create a web form. Now what we need to do is basically to put it on our web page. Now the first thing I want to tell you guys is that you don't have to be an HTML expert because you don't need to. I'm not an HTML expert. As a matter of fact, I have no idea about HTML. All you need is just one of those HTML editors out there, and they just do it all for you. Now you don't have to buy it. Like if you have Dreamweaver, great, then use Dreamweaver. If you don't have Dreamweaver, I can tell you I'm only using Enview. Enview is free of charge. It's very fast, easy, and effective, and it doesn't cost you anything. All you need to do is just Google it up and just click on Enview download. And you just can go to the download page and download it from there. And it's very, very easy to use. There is no rocket science here. Okay? So what we need to do is basically, after we've already created our squeeze page. Now, squeeze page, if you don't know how to create a squeeze page, that's okay, because there are more videos available on how to create a squeeze page. Just check on the channel if you are on YouTube, or you can check on the blog roll if you are on my blog. So once we have written our squeeze page here, now we need to put this Aweber code on our squeeze page. So what we have to do, if we are on Enview, all we need to do is just here write, for example, web form here. Okay? Then we go to the source down here. Then you will see we have written here web form here. Right? So all we need to do is copy this and then come back to Enview and paste. And then once you save it, there you go. There's your web form. You see? So it's very easy. It's extremely easy to make a web form and to put it on your website. Now what I want to show you is how to upload your page on your server. I will already take for granted that you already have a hosting account, right? And a domain name, of course. So we need to save this page. So we want to save it. Let's save it on the desktop, for example. It's just a sample page. So we're gonna give it the name sample page, sample HTML or HTML, okay? And save it on the desktop. Now, for an uploader, I use FileZilla. FileZilla is a free FTP solution, so you can just go and Google it, and then you'll just find it. All you need to do is just download it from there. It's free of charge, very easy, very fast, and effective. So once we want to upload our page on our server, we just need to go to FileZilla. Of course, we have already logged in here, and just go to public HTML. And then here, on this side, we need to look for the page that we have just saved. We saved it on the desktop. We called it sample. Here it is. So just double click, just uploads it. Okay, and then when we look here, there it is. We got it. Now we want to just check how it looks, right? So we're just going to type it here, sample.html, HTML, or HTML, whichever format you want to use. And there's your web form. And that's how you create a web form. It's very easy. And again, guys, if you need anything, any comments, if you have any comments, suggestions, or feedback, I would love to hear from that. And again, just to remind you, if you don't know how to create a squeeze page, just look for the videos out there. There's everything. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the course.